Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Unompumelelo puts up a poll, basically, should I say a poll, for people to actually ask anything that's on their minds, basically. And one of our followers, I should say, asked her a question which I thought to be very interesting. Remember, guys, the past couple of weeks, they've been giving us a teaser that Umpumelelo was going to pay Lobola for Unompumelelo, only to find out that Umpumelelo was going to pay damages for Unompumelelo for taking a virginity, right? But all along, you guys, there's some people, for an example, who watch Izingane Zesthembu, but they do not follow Unompumelelo on the Instagram or on any social media platform. So Utireno basically was the one on the show who revealed the fact that Unompumelelo had a child. So for me, obviously, I had already known because I follow I follow her. I follow Unompumelelo. But for some people who don't follow Unompumelelo, they found out for the first time that Unompumelelo has a child through Utirelo's remarks. And Tirelo made a comment and said Ugel already has a baby with someone else. So she thought the family had let the matter go. She was commenting on the fact that Umpumelelo was going to pay damages. So Utirelo was basically saying she thought Unompumelelo's family had let the matter go because Unompumelelo has a child. Mind you, so she was the first one who actually revealed that. And then one of Unompumelele's fans actually asked that, like, were you really comfortable? How did you feel with the fact that it was revealed that you actually have a child on TV like that? And well, Unompumelelo responds, I'm sure you can see the screenshots on the screen. She responds by saying she's never hidden the fact that she has a child, so really it did not touch her like that. But I'm just thinking for some people, you guys, the way these matters are so sensitive, they choose to share such things themselves. So maybe Utirelo was not thinking to that degree that like it's personal, that maybe she should not have said that. Or maybe Utirelo saw it fine or deemed it fine because Unompumelelo once posted, or she's posted a picture where she was pregnant. So angazi, you guys, I don't know how to feel about it, but I'm just like sometimes like it's just best to keep quiet and wait for a person to reveal it for themselves. Because yes, Unompumelelo had revealed it on her social media platforms, but it was not on TV for everyone to see it. But anyway, who am I to say what Tirelo did was right or wrong? Because I guess Unompumelelo found nothing wrong with it. Or let me not say there was nothing wrong. She found nothing wrong with it, but she just said that yena benganankinga, yeah, umuntu mekesithi abanankinga, meaning that they didn't have a problem. But she basically says that she has never hidden the fact that she has a child. So yeah, it was not that deep for her. So I guess if it was not that deep for Unompumelelo, then it should not be that deep for me or any of us. But tell me, what did you think, you guys? Do you think it was a bad forward of Utirelo to make that comment? Or maybe like, do you feel like it was obvious or it was not that deep, since Unompumelelo has posted the fact that she's pregnant on her social media platforms, and she has responded to a comment on one of her pictures and basically said, no, the child is not a Mselebu child, when someone said that's a Mselebu child. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.